Okay, checking out the outside temperature. We got 90 degrees, using like a meat thermometer. Next. All right, so air is maxed out. Everything's high, max high air. Windows, doors open. Release all cabin pressure. Meat thermometer. That's all I had. Plug that in there. It's 90 degrees ambient temperature outside. And right now we are sitting at 81 degrees, which is what my AC is currently putting out. It's an '07 Lexus, 234,000 miles on it. Never been charged since I've had it, to my best recollection. All right, so I'm using this brand, AC Avalanche. I don't work for them, no endorsements, but it's R134A, which is exactly what my vehicle requires. Make sure you double check, and it should be written on your vehicle as well, what AC refrigerant you actually need. All right, so I pulled some things up on the internet, and my certain model has a different location, so check your specs on your car. The location of my low pressure port, which is where we're going in, labeled L, is in the front on my vehicle. And my high pressure port, which we are not touching at all, is on the front of mine. So we're going to shake this can up, get it rolling, and see what we can get out of here. All right, so remove the cap. Clean off this port. Max AC. This has the gauge on it. You're shooting for this little range. This can be hard to see on your end, but it's going to pull the coupler up. Snap that on. The low pressure line. Got our gauge. Going to unlock. And as we add refrigerant, do a little bit at a time, rotate the can, and stop. Let this cycle. Look at the gauge. I'm going to let it cycle for 30 to 60 seconds because I don't want to screw up my compressor and overload it. So right now my gauge is on the lower end of the green. It's going to be hard to see, but I'm going to let it sit and I'm going to let it monitor for a minute. And then we'll come back and try another one. All right, so we're going to add a little bit more. We're coming up on the green a little bit more there. So let's add a few more pounds of refrigerant. And then we'll go check the, and I'm going to set this to about 35 to 40. And again, short burst, let it cycle. And we'll see what we get up to. There we go, a little bit more. The can's getting empty. The can's getting colder. All right, so closing all doors. Everything's maxed out, air maxed out. I had 80, I believe it is 81 degrees before I recharged the system. Look at that, 63. 63, 73, 83. Yeah, almost down 20 degrees. Do the math. I'm not good at math. But anyway, you know what? It works. No BS. Quick in and out, 2-minute recharge.